I just wanted to show you these little birds in my bird feeder. I missed the best bit yesterday. I didn't have my camera handy. There was a load of the baby birds sitting on the cage, on the outside of the cage, sorry, and the parent birds were eating the food and actually then flying up to the edge of the cage and feeding the baby birds. But I've sort of missed that today, and there was like, half a dozen birds all sitting around the cage. It was quite amazing. I just wanted to show you this. But I think the baby birds now have actually learnt how to feed themselves now from the fat balls that are on there. I'm sorry if this isn't very clear, but I'm filming through my window. We've only got one now. Oh, it was absolutely buzzing yesterday. There's another one come back in, they're sitting on the fence. Oh, they're sitting on the fence now, look. Just the two of them. Sorry if this is wobbly. And the other one's... oh, the other one's come back in now. Just waiting to see if there's any more come in, but doesn't look like it. I mean, they're so hungry now. They're sort of building up, getting ready to build up their weight to fly off for the winter. But, we love to see them out there. Okay, I know this is just a short video, but I thought, it's lovely to see. So I'll see you again soon in another video. Bye for now.